How to turn off post comments on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off posts comments on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these 3 points in top corner, and here you will find turn off commenting. Now just click on it and that's it, and you can turn off any post here like this one here, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to turn off posts comments on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.